This is a very common algorithm for counting the number of items in a list. It's called an accumulator because we are accumulating the total number of items. This algorithm always starts with the following variables: I, or index, or other names, but basically a variable to keep track of which item we are looking at in the list. Usually it's called I. Count, sum, or total, or some other name. This is a variable to keep track of the total number of items so far, so our answer. And finally, we have a variable representing our list. Since we have to look at every item in the list, we start with a repeat loop. We're going to repeat as many times as there are items in the list, so we use the length block. Inside the loop, we have to check a condition. If our condition is true, we increase our count variable by 1 because we found an item that meets our criteria. We don't need an else because if an item doesn't meet our criteria, we don't need to do anything. Before the loop ends, we have to increase our index variable by 1 so that the next time we go through the loop, we're looking at the next item in the list. This is the basic algorithm that we can adjust based on our needs. Take a closer look at the if statement of this script and determine what count will be by the end of the script. Click on the number that you think count will be at the end of the script.